north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, until 1:45 a.m. At 11:41 p.m., a line of showers with a history of wind gusts up to 40 knots was located from 29 nautical miles northwest of Baltimore Inner Harbor to 38 nautical miles west of Hanover Street Bridge, moving east at 35 knots. This line of showers will be near Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Wind gusts of at least 34 knots and locally high waves can be expected. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service.
PM observation.